Hello friends. Friends, today we will study You Start Dying Slowly, this new poem. This poem is written by a great poet, Pablo Neruda. This poet is such a great that he was awarded with Nobel Prize in Literature in 1971. In this poem we will study explanation of the poem, appreciation of the poem and figures of speech. Let us study the poem. You Start Dying Slowly, written by Pablo Neruda. Let us see what poet says in this poem. If you do not travel, if you do not read, if you do not listen to the sounds of life, and if you do not appreciate yourself, you start dying slowly. The poet says, the poet talks about the death of our personality. If we do not travel or read, we start dying slowly because knowledge and experience shape our personality. Our life gives signals and always tells something which is good for our life. Therefore, we should listen to the sounds of life. And whatever qualities we have, we should be satisfied with it and should appreciate ourselves. We should be our favorite. We should never criticize harshly to ourselves. Whatever negative points we have, we should try to improve them. But still, we should be our favorite. Or we won't have any personality. Our personality will die. See what further he says. When you kill your self-esteem, when you do not let others help you, you start dying slowly. Here poet says that when you don't respect ourselves, self-esteem means self-respect. When we don't respect ourselves, we kill our personality. When we stop ourselves and don't let others help us due to ego, what happens? We kill our virtues. We start dying slowly. Our ego always comes on our way and it makes us hesitate to take the help from others. So poet says that we should never bother to take help from others and we should never kill our self-esteem. Let us see what poet says further. When you become slave of your habits, walking every day on the same path, if you do not change your routine, if you do not wear different colors, or you do not speak to those who don't know, you start dying slowly. These are the beautiful lines. And in these lines, the poet has given us beautiful suggestions, beautiful advices. It is worst thing to become the slaves of bad habit because it kills our personality. We should keep our habits changing. We should change our routine work. We should wear different colors means we should have interest in different things. We should talk to the strangers. Strangers means those people whom we don't know. And if we don't do this, what will happen? We lose our personality and we start dying slowly. सवयीचे गुलाम होणं हे कधीही वाईट असतं आणि तेच तेच रुटीन फॉलो केलं, नवीन गोष्टी आपण जर नाही शिकलो, नवीन नवीन कलर्स परिधान करणे म्हणजे नवीन गोष्टी शिकणे, तर त्यामुळे आपण आपलं आयुष्य व्यवस्थित जगतो, पूर्णपणे जगतो आणि आयुष्य पूर्णपणे जगावं हीच कवीची इच्छा आहे. इफ यू अवॉइड टू फील पॅशन and their turbulent emotions, those make your eyes glisten and your heart beat fast, you start dying slowly. Poet says that we should not avoid to feel passion and strong feelings, and if we avoid unsteady emotions, we start dying because passion and emotions bring sparkle to our eyes and make us happy. वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्या इमोशन्स येत असतात. कधी आपण खुश होतो, कधी नाराज होतो. ह्या ज्या बदलणाऱ्या इमोशन्स आहेत यांना टर्ब्युलंट इमोशन्स म्हणतात आणि हे आयुष्यासाठी खूप महत्वाचे आहे. कारण ह्या इमोशन्स आपल्या डोळ्यामध्ये एक वेगळ्या प्रकारची चमक आणतात, आपल्या पर्सनॅलिटीला शेप देतात, जगण्याचा इंटरेस्ट वाढवतात, आपल्या आनंदी ठेवतात. आणि आपण असं नाही केलं तर कवी म्हणतो, you start dying slowly. What further he says, if you do not change your life, when you are not satisfied with your job or with your love, if you do not risk what is safe for the uncertain, if you do not go after your dream, if you do not allow yourself at least once in your lifetime to run away from sensible advice. Here also, poet has given bulk of suggestions which are very helpful to our life. Firstly, he says, the poet says that we start dying when we don't change our life. We should not keep the job or love when we are not satisfied with them. We start dying when we don't take risks in our life and when we don't work hard for our dreams. And to keep our personality, we should ignore the sensible advice at least once in our lifetime. अत्यंत स्ट्रेंज ऍडवाइस दिलेली आहे ते कवीने एक, की अत्यंत चांगली ऍडवाइस, चांगला सल्ला आपण आयुष्यात कधीतरी धुडकावून लावला पाहिजे. पण त्याचबरोबर खूप चांगले सल्लेही दिलेले आहेत. आपल्या स्वप्नपूर्तीसाठी प्रचंड मेहनत घ्यायची, सेफ आयुष्य सोडून कधी कधी आयुष्यात रिस्क सुद्धा घ्यायची, आणि ज्या गोष्टींनी आपण समाधानी नाही त्या गोष्टींपासून दूर व्हायला हवा, आपण लाईफ बदलली पाहिजे. अशा पद्धतीने कवी एक वेगळ्या प्रकारची ऍडवाइस देण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो. आणि शेवटी ऍट लास्ट, द स्टांजा इज इनकम्प्लीट, इट इज शोन बाय गिव्हिंग द डॉट्स. वी हॅव टू अज्युम दॅट द सेम लाईन इज रिपीटेड, that is, we start dying slowly. Next important point now, appreciation. Friends, this question comes for 10 marks for the State Board of Maharashtra. There are certain 8 points, total 8 points are there. We should answer them carefully so that we'll get 8 out of 8. The first point is title. We should not give only name of the title. In the examination only stanzas will come and we will have to identify the name, and along with name we should give some information of the title. The title of the poem is frightening. It is You Start Dying Slowly. We have described it in first line. The next point is poet. Here also we should give some important information about the poet. This poem is written by well-known poet Pablo Neruda. He is of such a high or great caliber that he was awarded with Nobel Prize in 1971. Next important point is rhyme scheme. Here also we should give a detailed information about this. There is no traditional stanza division. In such a case, rhyming scheme is not followed. The poem is written in free verse. Favorite line. If you become slave of your habits, walking every day on the same path. These are my favorite lines because these lines inspire us to be the master of our habits. We should not be the slave of our habits. We should keep interest in many things. We should change our life. Theme and central idea. The theme of the poem is to deal with new things, new experience. Our life should not stop at one place. We should have developed personality. And to develop it, we should get new knowledge by reading books, wide experience by traveling. Otherwise, our personality will die and we will have no identity at all. Very nice poem it is. Next important point, figure of speech. The lines that we have taken into consideration have this figure of speech repetition. And another name is also there. We will discuss it afterward why it is given. If you do not, this group of words is repeated in the beginning of the many lines. Therefore, the figure of speech is repeated. So, this is the general figure of speech. When words or group of words are repeated, we call it repetition. But when the group of words come in the beginning of several lines, it is also called as anaphora. वाक्यांच्या सुरुवातीला एखादा ग्रुप जर परत परत रिपीट होत असेल तर त्या फिगर ऑफ स्पीचला ॲनाफोरा म्हणतात. अजून एक फिगर ऑफ स्पीच आहे महत्वाची. प्रत्येक स्टांजाला एक लाईन एंडिंगला येते, ती रिपीट होते. ती लाईन पण आपण घेऊ शकतो. And when such line repeats again and again at the end of the line, along with repetition, it is also called as refrain. Next important point, that is special features. This is also important point because it is for 2 marks. There are many lines in the poem which begin with if you note. A special feature आहे. The poem is written in the didactic form. हा कवितेचा फॉर्म आहे की बोधपर कविता आहे. The advice given in the poem is remarkable, especially when it advises to ignore the sensible advice once in life. Next important point, why I like this poem. हा शेवटचा पॉइंट आहे. I like it because some of the pieces of advice are really worth to be followed. Like we should not become the slave of any habit. काही कवीने जी सल्ले दिले फार महत्वाचे आहे. त्यातला एक सल्ला आहे की आपण सवयीचे गुलाम व्हायला नको. तर अशा पद्धतीने कवितेचे अप्रिशिएशन या ठिकाणी आपण घेतलेलं आहे. आय होप यू हॅव एन्जॉयड द पोएम. यू लाइक्ड इट. इफ यू लाइक्ड इट, चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि आपल्या मित्रांसोबत लिंक शेअर करा. थँक यू.